Another one. Another one. We the best music. DJ Khaled.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown liquor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do a blunt bob. It's very simple, very simple. So this is the hair that I showed you guys how to turn gray. I did the watercolor on it. As you can see, I changed the color from the blue and the purple to a green color, and it's been a while like that. But these ends, they're so trash. So I want to cut my hair. Like, I don't want to have trash ends. So I just want to cut it to a blunt middle part bob, and I think that would be cute. So that's what we about to do. So I'm showing you guys the length of the hair, which is really not long. I just took like 2 inches off the hair, to be completely honest. 2 to 3 inches off the hair. It really wasn't long hair. But I'm just showing you need your scissors and your comb. A fine tooth comb. I'm going to talk the whole video. Sorry, y'all. A fine tooth comb. So what I do is I'm going to cut this off of my head, but I establish the length on my head because I want to know where it's going to stop on me. So I establish the length on my head, and that's what you're about to see. And I do 2 little snips of that, and yeah. Side note, y'all, this video, I'm tired as hell. I did not get any sleep last night. I just decided to do this video because that's how I was feeling, and my creative juices flowed the most in the middle of the night. So this is why I look so tired. To follow your cut, make sure it's an even blunt cut. Pick up a piece from the first piece that you cut as a guide to start a guideline. You see how I have that little piece that's already cut? I'm just showing you guys that that little piece is what's going to show me how long to keep the length. So I always pick up a piece from the last piece I cut as a guide to keep it an even, consistent length. Hold that hair straight down and cut it. Use a little bit of tension. Don't pull it tight, but just use a little bit of tension when you're cutting it so it can be even. It's always best, guys, to detangle the hair all the way and use water. Whenever you can use water, use water. And I always suggest for a blunt cut, if you can cut it off your head, do it. Do not cut it on your head. It will be choppy. Cut it off of your head or get someone else to help you if you can't do it. But always use water because it helps keep the hair even and on track. If it's like a weave, you can stretch out the curl and make it straight so you can see it even cut. All right, guys. Okay, guys, detangle, detangle, detangle. As you're going through this cut, always detangle, because a tangle, when it's obviously tangled, it has the hair balled up. So when you finally detangle it and comb through, it's going to be long pieces. So detangle as you're going through. So all I do from here, guys, is just continue to go around the whole head using my guideline, and that's all. That's how I continue to get the same length all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this clip and then show you the next clip. So to make sure this is an even cut, guys, I need you to lift up that top layer and check the bottom part to make sure the length is all consistent, because those pieces on the bottom part is what will be sticking out and making the blunt bob look, you know, you just gotta get them little pieces on the inner side. Like, just get them. So lift up that top, and just make sure you clean it up. So what I'm doing is going around cleaning it up to make sure that the length is consistent and there's no long pieces. Okay, right here, guys, I'm taking the long layer back out. You see how that's an even cut, y'all? But what I'm about to do is take some of the weight out. So this is a way to take some of the weight out of your bob so it won't be so heavy. This is what I'm going to do. So you see how I pick up the section diagonal? I'm going to take this section. This is also how you get layers, guys. You can go very heavy with this and make layers, or you can go very light with this and just take weight out. So what I'm about to do is take off the very tip. The very tip. You see how that was? Like, that's all I did. That created a little bit of a layer, but it took weight off. More so than a layer, because it's not really layered. So do you see that very, very tip? I took it off just so it wouldn't be so heavy around my sides, if that makes any sense. Just pick it up and take off that very top layer. If you go too much into it, then you'll be making a stack bob. But if you just take that light layer on top, it's literally just taking weight out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was very informative. This is the end result, and you know I'm gonna press it out and all of that, but this is really cute. I really like it and I love the color. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments. Check out my other videos. Peace.